After installing SharePoint, you will get a screen. Welcome to SharePoint products, which is SharePoint configuration wizard. In this, you just click on yes. Just click on yes. Connect to the server farm. Create a new server farm. Here you will mention a database server name, username and password. So we will find out the host name. Just copy this host name, paste in your database server name. And database name is anything you like to give to your database. And here you can mention your administrative username and password. Click on next. As I told you earlier, it's the system should be configured in the domain. This is for the password we are giving to secure our farm configuration. Here you can select a role for your SharePoint configuration. We will select a single server farm. Here you can specify a port number. The port number's range is also given. So select any port number which we will not conflict with your other device. For authentication of applications, choose NTLM. Click next. It will take time to installation. Now it's installing. I will skip this installation part. You can see after complete all configuration setup, you can see the message configuration is successful. In this configuration setting, you will see configuration database server, configuration database name, host, the administrator of application, yes, you can host, central administrator URL, authentication provider, NTLM, and local service role, single server farm, as we configured earlier. So just click on finish, and before you click on finish, just copy paste the URL in somewhere in Notepad file. Now install Google Chrome in your system if it is not available, and then open a Google Chrome. In Google Chrome, just copy paste the path and mention a username like domain name / username and password. While first time configuration will take little bit time, so please wait for some time. See, the web page is open, and you can see all the SharePoint configuration over here. From here, you can configure and set SharePoint server as per your requirement. Thank you.